don't know about that. Some people be living the life. You still wear a helmet, Bob? Sometimes?
Tried triggering the GTX before I told him it's small right or a head wrap, like a haircut kind of.
You ride this nice now these days?
Yeah.
Did it ever almost get away from you? No? You getting too old for that, huh?
I ride, honestly, I ain't gonna bullshit. I ride more now than I did like a couple years ago.
I don't ride that nice. I just don't ride at all hardly. Love you, Bob.
Love you.
Mm-hmm. Focus. Fucking turd bomb, motherfucker. Yeah, that's a new one I made. Old one is, I don't know what the fuck is that. It's history, parental guidance. I don't know. Oh, here it is. There you go. And the other one's made. The wire was all the way. There you go. And just to go to show you, not everything always works out. Some about brass or whatever. Sometimes if you don't heat it up enough, it'll start cracking. Why, I don't know. But oh, and then this is a little makeup mirror back in the day. Brass. That's where I got this from. It cost me $1 at the flea market. There you go. I think that's about it. Oh, I got a little shifted cover now. Come on. There you go. Nothing fucking fits. I don't care what anybody says. Torque cones. Too wide right here. So I had to grind out the top of the exhaust. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's it. And I'm gonna work on those until they're done. Because they're supposed to be done, I don't know how long ago. Yeah. Say good night, Irene. Good night. The next victim. Okay, been sandblasted. Here's my point. Okay, some people don't believe in it. Can I prove that it works? No. Can they prove it doesn't work? I don't believe so. Anyway, they tell you to remove the grease and whatever, wire brush. Do not dilute it unless you're going to use it for metal prep. This is the part that I go against what they say. Not this part. Paint treated surface with 48 hours. I don't, because I always re-scuff. Where's the point that where is it at? Come on, go to the program. Rinse with water, rusted areas. Right here. Work the solution into the rusted area and allow the product to dry overnight to fully neutralize rust. Okay, I don't agree with that. That's just my opinion. Then you go into what is this stuff made out of? Contains sulfuric acid. Period. Period. That's all it is. This is my point. I did not let it sit overnight, because I've let it sit overnight and say right here where there's no rust, it will get gummy. It will get sticky. So this has already been sandblasted. Whoa, let's focus a little bit. Wow. Can you see them areas where they're real dark? That's sulfuric acid. Even though I sandblasted it, my experience is anything that turns really black, it's neutralizing the rust. Even though I sandblasted it, I don't believe you can get every pore of the rust to stop. This is, see where it's shiny still because I didn't put sulfuric acid on it. Because I didn't put it in every spot. What I do is I brush it on And I believe the sulfuric acid, once it's on there, I don't let it sit overnight 48 hours. I don't do that. I put it on and I wipe it off with a rag. Even if you submerge this whole box, I mean, using sulfuric acid is not the answer to the world. The answer to the world is cut the metal out, by replace a panel or whatever. But on a toolbox, even if you submerge this underneath that lip where sandblast can't get to it, you hear it? It's rusting. Yeah, that's what it's doing. It's rusting. You're only slowing shit down. That's all you're doing. Did I get some words of wisdom? Sure. Everybody does their own thing their own way. Do it to their best ability. I had this guy at the commercial break. Yeah. Names have been changed to protect the innocent. I had this guy that I get some chrome washes and nuts for when I go order them off the internet. And he knows I do body work, whatever. He's a good guy, kinda. It's a small business. He was starting to tell me about YouTube and about things he's been learning how to do body work. I guess he's trying to flip cars or whatever. Anyway, he was telling me something about something, and I said, I don't agree with that. I said, there's a lot of ways to do a lot of different things. Nobody can really prove. You know, I used to think there was a holy grail of body work, but there isn't. Anyway, he didn't really get perturbed, but he was rattling off some names, and I said, I've never heard them. You know, not saying they're not good. But he said something, and I'm like, huh? A product or something, and I'm like, no. And then it kind of got heated, and I told him, you know, I won't tell you what I don't know. I will tell you what I do know. And the ironic thing is that he was bringing up the subject to ask me my opinion, but he's going to turn around and argue with me. Not that I know it all. But if you're going to ask somebody their opinion, that means that you don't know how to do that process. So you should put on your listening fucking ears and listen. Because next time I go in there, and he starts saying some stuff about body work, unless he's a really nice fella, I'm going to tell him, you know what, go back to YouTube. Not that YouTube's bad or isn't bad, because I've learned a lot on YouTube, but I've been down this road. If you feel somebody knows more than you and you ask them a question, fucking listen to what they're goddamn saying. Don't debate it. Don't argue it. Give an example, I don't pour my own concrete, I have someone else do it. But I ask them how to do a form, and they tell you if you're not going to put rebar down, you should put pebble rock or whatever. It gives you a better foundation. And then after it's cured, per se, you want to cut lines into it X amount of feet, because all concrete's going to crack. I didn't know that, but when I was told that, it fucking did that. I didn't sit there and fucking, well, you know, no, because people are gonna climb up and shut down. They're not gonna fucking help you. Anyway, that's my fucking rant for today. Peace of mind, peace of property, peace of oneself, peace on earth, rest in peace, piece of the action, piece of the puzzle, bigger piece of the pie, piece of pizza, piece of corn dog. And when the big dogs get all done eating, even the pups get a piece of something, motherfucker. I'm not saying my execution to detail is superior. I'm not saying that. The older we get, the better we get, the more knowledge we have. But when I see professional shops in town, wow. All I can say is, if you want something done and you're gonna pay good money, educate yourself. Go on YouTube and get some fucking information. Because this item that I've seen done, wow. That's all I can say. I'm not even gonna change the fucking name, I ain't even gonna say the name. But, goddamn. Close is close. But off is off when you're lining shit up. That's all I can fucking say. You can tell when some people try, you can tell when some people, the heart's not into it. But hey, this is my opinion. If you don't like it, throw it all on the way out in the trash. Don't matter to me. I'm just here to say what I want to say. Maybe somebody will get something. Maybe nobody will get nothing. Whatever. Oh, don't forget thumbs down. Really? Piece of something, motherfucker. Enjoy your evening.